Not so well.
Okay, I
What
just
is
want to know first, can you hear me or I'm visible properly?
Yes.
Okay, so your
Please
name
tell
is
me. Where are
Bilal.
you from?
I'm from oh my God, you are also from India. Okay, so come from UP, Uttar Pradesh.
Why it is happen with me? I got a three partner.
Three friends.
They o- and three partner to talk here.
Huh?
They also from Uttar Pradesh.
Oh, like last call, I connect with one girl. Uh, she's from like I don't know I never ever heard about the country name, but she belongs to there. So sometime like girls also come in that platform, not Indian girls mostly. I know that, but like out of country, like girls come in that application as well. They are aware of that and other things. But I like it that application because of last time I was watching a YouTube video. So there is a one YouTuber. He suggests like she's a YouTuber. She belongs to Bihar, and she was talking about episode and this application if you will use, so you can talk in
And
as well.
I think her name is
Priya,
Priya Kusu.
Priya.
Yes, you are.
Oh my God, you also know what she's doing nowadays. Well, she got a good.
Yeah.
Uh,
We got it same place. We
yeah.
got it same place.
So nowadays, Priya start a daily blog like she's getting like she's nowadays she's get up early around 4:30 something like that. I seen the blog, and what like kinds of practice she's doing like with the helping of ChatGPT. She's using how can we talk. There is an option as well in ChatGPT like there is a voice calling method is as well, so you can like talk as a stranger. You can share the things whatever in your mind, and then after he will reply like ChatGPT will reply to you according to yours. So I also did these types of things, but because of she is like showing to others like other people how can they think about like English is not like a big deal if you want to improve your communication skills. So that's like nowadays he is getting a good views as well. I know I've seen like around 10K, 12K, 15K. That's great.
You have a smiley face. You have very nice teeth,
Oh my
and
god.
you look well in specs.
Oh my god. Thanks for that. But most of the time when I try to it's like try to with others people, so I thought like if suppose that if I try to my best, so other person like automatically they will like try to best as well. If suppose that if I'll do yeah, hi, how are you? So that's not good now. So I try to be a professional little bit. I'm not a professional, but I'll try my best.
Yes, you are right, bro. By the way, what do you do these days?
Uh, okay, so if I'll talk about me, so I do job in Gurgaon, but today I came my home and like after like 6 months back.
What kind of job do you do?
Actually, I work in a hospitality sector.
Oh, really? It is nice thing,
I do job in a five-star hotel.
How old are you?
What do you think?
I think 16, 17-year old.
Oh my God, you are wrong, totally wrong. I'm 23. Like I can
You're,
24. Yeah, I have
I'm 20-year old.
I have done my degree like BHM Bachelor of Hotel Management. This is a basically 4 year degree course, and I have a 2 year experience. I'm a 2 year experience holder person, so you can think.
That's why you speak well.
No, no, no. I don't think I speak well. My colleagues speak very well. Like they are. They speak like as a professional, but I'm not. I'll try my best, but I'm not okay. I know.
You speak well, yeah. You speak well. You speak well.
But
Then me.
I want to improve more.
I am so tired today, yeah.
What
You know, I
happened?
am feeling sleepy now. Because I went somewhere. I went to somewhere.
Hmm. So you also live in outside?
No, no, no.
You
I
live
live in my home.
Oh, you live with your family. That's great, yeah. But I most of the time I like live in outside, and
And what?
six after
Where do you job? Where do you do job?
Gurugram, Gurgaon.
And right now, where are
Right
you
now
now?
I'm at home. Right now I am at home. 6 months back I just come again, like came.
Oh, and uh, what have to do in your job?
Uh, I'll tell you later. I don't wanna right now because this is secret. I don't want to reveal because of in near to me. There are like my mom, my sister, and my like other people is here, so I don't want to reveal what I do. But definitely, but like okay, if I'll talk about my job, so as a receptionist, I use a job in a like back area.
You are receptionist, you
Yeah,
know.
I'm not, but as like as back area works there, so right now I do such a paperwork job. And we
And what kind of salary? You know what? How much salary do you get?
do you know that never ask with girls how is she old, and never ask with like man how is earning. Okay, bye bye. See you later. Time is up.
I
Okay.
want to be